do a quick little video on a water pump on this is a 2010 Mazda 3, is a 2.5. Most of them have that tensioner like right up here. This one has an idler up here. It's not a tensioner, it's an idler. The tensioner on this particular one is down. Right down there. It's underneath the alternator. And then that's a 14. So you're gonna take your 14 when you want to take your belt off, put it back there. You pull. Yeah, goes this way. So you pull tension towards you, and then you pop the belt off this side. I took this piece off, the idler. It goes on here, these 3 12s. Come off right there. Now before you take the belt off, before you take the idler off, the water pump pulley, so it's just like this in front of the water pump. And it's got these 3 10mm bolts. So this will just freely spin, nothing's holding it. You're gonna have to give it tension. What I use is this. This is out of my European set. What basically goes is that you have 3 points you can take off. You take this piece, it'll be down there obviously. The water pump is right there. And you put this on these 2 and it holds it in place, and you take this one off and you spin it. And you put on these 2 and then this 2. You take them off. If you don't have that, it's unnecessary. You could use this, same concept. You want to kind of stick it down there. You want to go between these, so you want to kind of keep tension on it like this so it doesn't spin, and then you take this one off and you spin it. You do it to that one and to that one. So either a long screw, anything large with a sharp edge, you know, you just want to give it when it stops from moving. So you take that off, and then you take you loosen these so they don't come off, the belt's on it. Then you'll take your 14, stick it back there, loosen the belt, take the belt off, belt's right there. This overview of how the belt goes, kind of, this is the crank, that's the water pump, that's the AC, that's the idler, and then it goes underneath another idler, that's the alternator, and that's the tensioner right there. So then you get to the water pump. Right here, the water pump sits. This side is down, so it sits like that. It's got 3 8s. 8mm. So you take it off, which is pretty easy. They're very low torque. Now the water pump's sticking there because the tension is on that boring. So I kind of take this and I go between here and loosen it. Then I go back to this side and I push on that little bolt right there, just to gentle loosen it a little bit here, a little bit there, a little bit here, a little bit there. And then you get to a point where you just reach in or grab with your hand. I have a bucket underneath, catch. Now we'll go ahead and put the old one back on. Just the main difference with this one, again, most of these Mazdas, the tensioner is right up here. And it's 2.5, the tensioner is down there. Good luck.